Chase Bank Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how banking services have evolved in 2025. Chase Bank promises digital convenience, competitive products, and extensive branch access, but is it really worth choosing? The surprising truth is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming all big banks offer similar experiences. Chase provides a wide range of checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment products, catering to diverse financial needs. One major advantage is technology. You won't believe what happens next when you see the mobile app with bill pay, budgeting tools, Zelle integration, and account alerts. Branches and ATMs remain widely available for those who prefer in-person service. Chase also offers rewards programs for credit cards, overdraft protection options, and strong security measures, including two-factor authentication and fraud monitoring. However, there are cons. Some accounts require minimum balances to avoid fees, and certain products may have higher interest rates compared to online-only banks. Customer service experiences can vary by location. In conclusion, Chase Bank in 2025 is suitable for those who value a combination of digital tools, extensive financial products, and branch accessibility. While fees and interest rates are considerations, technology, rewards, and security make it a solid choice for managing personal finances effectively.